You have $0 in your business account right now. You have an idea sitting in your notes app that you never acted on. You keep telling yourself you need capital first. You keep telling yourself you need a loan or a partner or a lucky break. None of that is actually true. Today we are going to walk through 12 recession-proof businesses you can start with exactly $0. Not the fake version you see online with a course attached to it. Not the version where someone tells you to dropship products you have never touched. The real version. The boring version. The version regular people are quietly using right now while everyone else waits for permission. Stay until the end, because level 7 is the one nobody talks about. And it is the one that decides whether any of this actually works for you. So get comfortable. Turn off the noise around you. And let's walk through this together one level at a time. This is not a hype video. There's no secret app doing the work for you. What you're about to hear is a map. A map built from businesses that survived every recession in the last 50 years without needing a single dollar to start. Some of these will sound too simple to work. That feeling's exactly why most people never try them. Keep watching. Because the 12th business on this list is the one almost nobody mentions, and it might be the strongest one here. Before we start, understand one thing clearly. None of these ideas require a business degree. None of them require a rich uncle willing to fund your dream. They require exactly what you already have sitting in your life right now. A phone, a few free hours, and the willingness to do something small before you feel ready to do something big. Most people skip past opportunities like this because they look too ordinary to matter. That is the exact reason they still work. Boring ideas do not attract competition. Boring ideas do not get destroyed the moment a recession hits. They simply keep quietly working in the background while flashier businesses collapse around them. Right now, somewhere in your city, a person with far less time and far less energy than you is already running one of these 12 businesses. They did not wait for the economy to improve. They did not wait for a sign. They simply picked one idea and told one person about it. Level 1. The first 2 businesses on this list live inside a skill you already have sitting unused right now. Business number 1 is running errands for people who have money but no time. Grocery pickups, prescription runs, waiting in line at the DMV so someone else does not have to. This business needs $0 because you already own the only tool required, your own time. You post in a local community group offering to run errands for a flat fee. Your first client might be a busy parent. Your second client might be an elderly neighbor who simply cannot drive anymore. This business survives recessions because busy people never stop being busy no matter what the economy is doing. Business number 2 sits right next to it. Pet sitting and dog walking. You do not need a storefront. You do not need inventory. You need a leash you can borrow and a phone to receive bookings. People will always need someone to walk their dog while they work a double shift. People will always need someone to feed their cat during a trip they cannot cancel. This is not a glamorous business. Nobody posts about it online with excitement. But glamorous is not the same thing as reliable. And reliable is exactly what a recession-proof business needs to be. Think about a woman working 2 jobs just to keep her family afloat. She does not have time to walk her own dog between shifts. She is not looking for a fancy app with a subscription fee attached to it. She's looking for a real person she can trust with a spare key and a leash. That is the entire business model. No warehouse, no inventory sitting unsold on a shelf somewhere. Just trust built one walk at a time until she recommends you to 3 other exhausted parents on her street. Recessions do not remove the need for trust. If anything, they increase it because people have less room for mistakes and less patience for companies that treat them like a number instead of a neighbor. Level 2. Business number 3 moves indoors. Cleaning services. Not a franchise, not a fleet of vans. Just you and a checklist showing up to someone's home with the cleaning supplies they already own sitting under their own sink. You're not selling products. You're selling your time and your effort. This business needs $0 to start because the client's own home already contains everything required for the first several jobs. Right now, you might be thinking this sounds too simple to actually work. That exact thought is why so few people ever try it. A busy household does not need a complicated pitch. It needs someone reliable who shows up on time and does the job well enough to get invited back the following week. Business number 4 sits in a completely different direction. Freelance writing. If you can write a clear sentence, you already have the raw material for this business. Small businesses need blog posts. Local shops need product descriptions. Busy professionals need emails written on their behalf. You do not need a portfolio built from client work you have never done. You start by writing 3 sample pieces for free and using them as proof of what you can do. This business survives recessions because content never stops being needed, even when budgets shrink. Companies cut ad spend before they cut the words on their own website. Picture a small hardware store owner who has run the same shop for 15 years. He knows tools. He does not know how to write a product description that makes someone stop scrolling and click buy. That gap is where you step in. You're not competing with massive marketing agencies charging thousands of dollars a month. You are the affordable option sitting right there in his own town, willing to write 10 product descriptions for a price that fits inside a tight monthly budget. He does not need perfect prose. He needs someone who understands his customers well enough to describe a product the way a real person actually talks about it. During a recession, this gap does not close. It widens. Business owners cut staff before they cut the basic marketing that keeps customers walking through the door. Level 3. Business number 5 is social media management for small local businesses. Think about the restaurant near you that has not posted anything in 4 months. Think about the local gym with an account that looks abandoned. These business owners are busy running the actual business. They do not have time to plan content, and they know it is costing them customers. You offer to manage 3 posts a week for a flat monthly fee. You do not need expensive software. Free tools already exist for scheduling and basic design. Business number 6 is tutoring. If you understood a subject well enough to pass it, you understand it well enough to teach a struggling student the basics. Math, reading, a language you speak fluently. Parents pay for tutoring in good economies and bad economies alike because a child falling behind in school is never something a parent is willing to ignore. You do not need a certification to start helping a neighborhood kid with fractions. You need patience and a willingness to explain something twice. Think about a parent watching their child fall behind in math right before final exams. That parent is not comparing prices between 5 different tutoring companies. That parent wants someone available this week who can actually help before report cards come out. You do not need to be a certified teacher to fill that gap. You need to remember what confused you at that age and explain it in language a textbook never bothered to use. Tutoring survives every recession because parents will cut almost everything else in the family budget before they cut something tied directly to their child's future. This business also grows in a way most people never expect. One tutoring session leads to a recommendation inside a group chat full of other worried parents at the same school. Within a single semester, a single student can quietly turn into 5 or 6 regular clients without you spending a single dollar on advertising. Level 4. Business number 7 returns outdoors. Lawn care and basic yard work. In the beginning, you borrow a mower from a family member or a neighbor willing to lend one for a percentage of the first few jobs. Once you have 3 or 4 regular clients, the mower pays for itself within weeks. Some people hear this idea and assume the market is already too crowded for a new person to break into. The truth is, most lawn care companies in any given neighborhood are already stretched thin and turning away small jobs because they are chasing bigger commercial contracts instead. That leaves a wide open gap for someone willing to handle the small residential yards everyone else considers beneath their time. This business survives recessions because an overgrown lawn becomes a visible embarrassment long before it becomes a financial priority for most homeowners. They will pay to avoid that embarrassment even when money is tight everywhere else. Business number 8 is mobile car detailing using a client's own hose and water at their home. You bring the effort in a basic supply kit that costs almost nothing to assemble from items you likely already own. People stop affording a new car during hard times. They start caring more about keeping their current car looking decent instead. That shift in behavior is exactly what keeps this business alive when new car sales are falling everywhere else. Picture a man who just lost overtime hours at his job and can no longer justify a car payment on something newer. He still has to drive his current car to work every single day. He still wants it to feel decent when he steps inside it after a rough shift. You show up with a bucket, a few towels, and basic supplies that cost almost nothing to gather. Within an hour, his car looks and smells brand new again for a fraction of what a dealership detailing service would charge. That small moment of pride matters more during hard times than most people expect it to. Level 5. Business number 9 is resume writing and basic career coaching. During every single recession in modern history, one thing happens without fail. Layoffs increase, and the job market gets more competitive. Suddenly, thousands of people need a resume that actually stands out. If you understand how to write clearly, and you understand what employers are scanning for, you can build this business using nothing but a laptop you already own and templates you can create yourself. Business number 10 is local delivery using a bicycle or a car you already have sitting in your driveway. Small businesses without the budget for third-party delivery apps still need products delivered locally. A bakery, a flower shop, a small pharmacy. You become the delivery option they can actually afford because you are not taking the massive cut that big delivery platforms charge. Think about a small bakery owner watching her online orders sit unfulfilled because the big delivery apps take almost a third of every sale. She cannot survive on those margins during a slow month. You offer her a flat rate per delivery instead of a percentage that eats her profit alive. She keeps more of every sale. You build a simple relationship with one shop that can easily grow into 3 or 4 shops once word spreads through the same small business community. Small business owners talk to each other more than people realize. One grateful bakery owner telling a friend who owns a flower shop down the street is worth more than any advertisement you could ever pay for. Level 6. Business number 11 is bookkeeping for small businesses using free trial software to start. Every single small business owner needs their numbers tracked, whether the economy is booming or collapsing. Most of them hate doing it themselves, and many of them are already behind on it right now. You do not need an accounting degree to start with basic bookkeeping. You need organization and a willingness to learn the fundamentals through free resources available right now. A lot of people skip this idea, assuming numbers are not their strength. But basic bookkeeping for a small shop is far simpler than the mental picture most people carry around in their head. It is mostly sorting receipts into the right category and keeping a clean running total. Anyone willing to learn a simple system can offer real value here within a matter of weeks. Business number 12 is virtual assistant work. Answering emails, managing a calendar, handling basic customer service messages for a business owner who is drowning in tasks they should have delegated months ago. This business requires nothing but a laptop and a reliable internet connection you probably already have sitting in your home right now. Busy entrepreneurs never stop needing help, even when they cannot afford to hire someone full-time. You become the flexible option that fits inside a shrinking budget. Picture a small consulting business owner drowning in emails at 11 at night because he cannot afford a full-time assistant right now. He does not need someone in an office. He needs 3 focused hours a day, handling the task pulling his attention away from actually growing his business. You become that missing piece without either of you taking on the risk of a full-time salary. This arrangement works especially well during uncertain times because it lets a business owner get real help without a long-term commitment hanging over either of you. Level 7. This is the level almost nobody talks about enough. None of these 12 businesses actually make you money by themselves. Not one of them. What actually makes you money is the thing hiding underneath all 12 of them. Consistency shown to real people over real weeks and real months. Every single one of these businesses fails for most people within the first 2 weeks. Not because the idea was bad, because the person quit before word of mouth had time to work in their favor. A recession-proof business is not recession-proof because of what it sells. It is recession-proof because it solves a problem people cannot ignore no matter how tight their budget gets. An overgrown lawn, a dog that needs walking, a resume that needs to stand out in a shrinking job market. These problems do not disappear when the economy gets worse. They actually get more common, which means the businesses solving them get more valuable exactly when everything else feels unstable. The real secret hiding inside every single business on this list is this. You do not need money to start something real. You need a problem worth solving and enough patience to show up for it longer than everyone else is willing to. Most people read a list like this and feel excited for about 10 minutes. Then they close the video and go back to waiting for permission that was never going to arrive. The people who actually change their financial situation are the ones who pick one business from this list today and message a single potential client before they go to sleep tonight. Not next week, not once things calm down. Tonight. Because the version of you 5 years from now is either running one of these 12 businesses with real clients and real income, or still watching videos like this one waiting for a better moment that keeps disappearing every single time it almost arrives. Think about the difference between those 2 versions of yourself sitting 5 years apart. One of them built something slow and boring that quietly paid the bills through every economic storm that came along. The other one is still scrolling through opportunity after opportunity, feeling inspired for 10 minutes at a time and taking action 0 times. The gap between those 2 people was never talent. It was never luck either. It was one uncomfortable message sent to one stranger on one ordinary night. Every single business on this list started exactly that small for every single person currently running it successfully. Nobody launched with a website and a logo and a business plan. They launched with a text message offering to help someone for a fair price. That is the entire beginning of every recession-proof business hiding on this list. Not complicated. Just uncomfortable enough that most people never actually send it. If any part of this video hit something in, you make sure you are subscribed because this channel is built for exactly this kind of transformation. This is POV Zenn, a place where we do not just talk about opportunity from a distance. We hand you the exact map and then push you to actually walk it. New videos drop regularly, breaking down real businesses, real strategies, and the quiet discipline required to make any of it work. No hype, no fake promises, just the real path most people are too impatient to walk down. If you made it this far into the video, you already care more about this than most people scrolling past it right now. Drop a comment below and tell us which business from this list you're starting first. Was it the dog walking in level 1? The bookkeeping in level 6? Or did level 7 change how you see this entire list? We read every single comment because this channel grows through people like you sharing their own honest starting point. Hit subscribe right now before you forget. Turn on notifications so you never miss the next list we break down together. And remember, the version of you a year from today is being built entirely out of the message you send or do not send tonight. Send it. We will see you in the next video. Every single week, we break down another list like this one built from businesses and strategies most people scroll past without a second thought. Sometimes it is about money. Sometimes it is about the quiet discipline required to actually start something before you feel ready. POV Zenn was built for people exactly like you. People who are done waiting for the perfect moment. People who are ready to start small and let consistency do the heavy lifting from here. This channel does not exist to entertain you for 10 minutes and disappear from your memory by tomorrow morning. It exists to hand you something you can actually use before the sun comes up again.